welcome to another travel vlog in the channel. This time we are in La Union, the surfing capital of the Philippines. Specifically, I think we are in San Juan. And San Juan is famous for the surfing. So we need to find a place to stay for the night since we are traveling. And sa kakasuyod namin sa Google Maps, sa kakahanap namin ng murang mapagstayan for the night, we found this cute little spot beside the beach, as in front of the beach, na ang nakalagay sa Google Maps is 1,000 something, 1,000 for the night. They have a contact number in the Google Maps, kaya lang we tried calling it pero it's not answering, or I think the number is incomplete. So we just decided to check out the place and ask for the rates. So we follow Google Maps. We ask for a little bit and nakarating kami dito sa place. It's a little bit secluded. I think you will pass by a rocky road before you will hit the spot. And it's not beside the road, by the way. So, pasok ka pa. And this is what it looks like. This is what the front desk looks like. So super Bali vibes, super camper vibes, super surfer vibes. And the name of the place is, hold on, walang sign eh. The name of the place of this beautiful resort is Camp Avenue. Sabi ng staff, the one that is assisting us, he said that they have been closed because of the pandemic and they just recently reopened. So, hindi pa ganon kaayos ang kanilang, they're still organizing, pero they are now accepting guests. This is the swing bar where they have a lot of swings if you want to sit by the counter, and this is the dining room. So beautiful, so gypsy vibes, so boho, so chic, and everything I love. I'm gonna show you this tomorrow morning when it's may araw, pero right now what you can see here is Bali huts. That's what they call them, Bali huts. Pero it's an A-frame bahay kubo. And bukas ko na rin papakita. And I think they have 15 huts. Okay, we are now entering my room.
Room yan?
Yes. So we have a twin size bed and a frame size na hot, and then we have a little frame over here. Lamp over here. May electric fan din, and then may outlet, and then merong abot dito yung Wi-Fi. So this is great for campers and yung mga who love the beach side. So hi, I'm already settled down. Kanina nag-video yung niece ko, so it was a bit shaky. And this is my room. We decided to get separate rooms since ang rate nila is 800 per person. I think right now inalaw nila. I don't know if that's their protocol talaga. So my parents in the other room, my sister's family is on the other room, hut, and this is my room. It's so beautiful. I fell in love with it. So this is an A-frame nipa hut. The roof is made with coconut leaves, and then I have a large foam over here and pillows. There's a window over there too, and I have a fan over here, a lamp. Merong outlets, so you don't have to worry about charging your gadgets, and abot dito yung Wi-Fi. Yeah, it has an ample space, good for 2 people. For me, pero sabi nila the hut is good for 3 people.
The next day.
Good morning, people. Let's go outside and meet the beach. And let's check out their breakfast for today. We're back at the hotel or the campsite. We originally wanted to go to the Tangadan Falls today, kaya lang they have a lot of requirements. You have to register at a specific website, and we don't have that time today, so we just decided to go back to the campsite and took a swim sa beach, and I'm gonna show you a drone shot in 3, 2, 1. Hello, we are checking out at Camp Avenue. I'm gonna show you their huts. Actually, the name of their huts is from an Ilocano world. This is my hut. So lima, it's the same for Tagalog word, 5. And then naman, pito, kutus. I think they have 15 huts, and their price or rate is 800 pesos per person, and if you're going to take their tents, that's going to be 500 per person. This one is siya, I think that's 7, dasa, and so on. So that's Ilocano words for the numbers 1 to 15, and I had a very comfortable night. I had a very good sleep, and look at this view. I think they just reopened last 2 months ago, so hindi pa sila ganun ka-organized. Are still reorganizing and doing everything na makapag-accept agad ng mga guests. So for the meantime, it's a great way to escape the city, and I think this is the best kept secret of La Union. I mean, it's very great. You're gonna be sleeping in a hut, although there's comfort room is common, but they're maintaining it. It's not kind of clean today, but I think they are trying to clean it and preparing it for future guests. So we are checking out, and I hope that you enjoy this travel vlog. Go check this out when you are here in La Union, and I swear that you're gonna be in love with the view, with the chic design, the bohemian, and I don't know, it's so pretty, and it's so I don't know, laid back. Yeah, that's the word. It's very laid back design, and if you are a backpacker or looking for a budgeted hotel or resort, you should check this out. Camp Avenue in La Union. It's in San Juan, La Union. So if you are wanting to go surfing here in La Union, check this out. And I think I gotta close this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below what you think about this video. So see you in my next travel vlog. Bye! We had a stop over at El Union Coffee, and I bought the dirty horchata. I first tasted dirty horchata in Hatch Coffee in Baguio, and it was divine. Like it was one of the best tasting coffee that I've ever tasted. And I got the iced dirty horchata, and dirty horchata, dirty horchata is coffee with cinnamon. So if you are stopping by at La Union or in San Juan, make sure to get a cup of coffee in El Union. It's a must try here in San Juan.